Good evening. Thank you for joining us. Hurricane Florence could be one of the strongest storms to hit the eastern seaboard in decades, and it's getting closer to land. Meteorologists have expanded the area expected to be affected by the Category 3 storm.
And while the East Coast is far away from Arizona, some local Red Cross workers are on their way to help. News 4 Tucson's Danelle Confair has the story.
19 Red Cross volunteers from Tucson are heading out to help with Hurricane Florence. We spoke with 2 volunteers who anticipate to be there for several weeks.
Getting anxious to get there and get started. I guess the hurricane's going to be landing sometime on Friday, so we'll get settled and get our equipment together before the hurricane actually does hit.
As residents on the East Coast evacuate, 700 Red Cross disaster workers from across the country are heading there.
We're bringing in equipment, food, water, and of course hundreds of volunteers that are going to help with sheltering people, giving them a safe place to stay.
Moore says this is the first time she's been sent out of state to help.
I witness incredible people volunteering their time for the Red Cross, and it really is amazing. It's to see their passion to stop what they're doing and help others, people that they don't even know, is simply amazing. And I wanted to experience that.
As of Wednesday, 52 Red Cross volunteers deployed from Arizona, New Mexico, and El Paso.
I anticipate just torrential rains and people in need. Unfortunately, I know that there's going to be a lot of suffering, and our mission is to alleviate suffering.
If you'd like to help the Red Cross efforts, we have a link on our website at KVOA.com. Danelle Confair, News 4 Tucson.